Welcome to Geeky Banker YouTube channel. So this is mock test 2 for IT security Iibf certification exam. In this mock test I have covered around 20 questions. So like this I will upload around 30 mock tests in our app. This is just a sample video. This is not a complete video. Okay, so that you will be able to know that mock test has been updated. The only reason I have uploaded here. बात करते हैं ऑडिटिंग थ्रू द कंप्यूटर. ठीक है, ऑडिटिंग थ्रू द कंप्यूटर क्या है? द प्रोसेस ऑफ reviewing and evaluating the internal controls in an electronic data processing system. This is called auditing through the computer. इसमें क्या होता है कि ऑडिटर थॉरली जो है वो आपके सिस्टम को चेक करता है, इंटरनल कंट्रोल्स को चेक करता है. ठीक है, कि आपका सिस्टम जो है वो कैसे बिहेव कर रहा है. ठीक है, इंटरनली डेटा जो है वो कैसे प्रोसेस होता है. ठीक है, आपके सिस्टम को रिव्यू किया जाता है और आपके इंटरनल कंट्रोल्स को इवैल्यूएट किया जाता है. और इसमें क्या होता है, जो ऑडिटर्स होते हैं उन गुड स्किल सेट इन कंप्यूटर सिस्टम. ठीक है, उन्हें जो है वो कंप्यूटर के बारे में, आपके सिस्टम के बारे में जो है वो थॉरली नॉलेज होना चाहिए. ऑडिटिंग थ्रू द कंप्यूटर वाज मीन्स व्हाट? In auditing through the computer, auditor reviews and evaluates the internal control in an electronic data processing system. An auditor with reasonably good skill set in computer system. So who can conduct this kind of auditing? Only who has good skill set in computer system. So this is auditing through the computer. Auditing through the computer मतलब internal controls को evaluate करना. Auditing through the computer means evaluating internal controls. This is auditing through the computer. Okay. So these are the questions. So for complete video, download the Geeky Banker app from Google Play Store. So this is a sample video only, so that you will find the complete video over our app, Geeky Banker app, and you can download that app from Play Store. Okay. So now here two QR code is given. First one is, this one is for our Telegram group. This is not specifically for IT security. This is a common group. And second QR code is for Google Play Store app. So once you will scan this app, you will be redirected to Google Play Store, and from there you can download the app. So just scan and download the app. Thanks for watching, and if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe. Thanks.